Well, good morning, folks. It is Monday morning, November 2nd, and I am going to cook a really easy egg breakfast for you today. So this breakfast, my dad made it a lot while I was growing up. It's called Migas, Migas, and basically what it is egg breakfast with fried tortilla chips in it. So I'll go through it and show you what it is. So the ingredients I'm going to be using, of course, are eggs. I'm going to be using half a pack of bacon. And what I'm going to do with the bacon is I'm going to just cut this up into small pieces and fry it up. Corn tortillas, which is the main ingredient of your migas. And you can top it with anything you want to. Glenn will use paste picante sauce, but you can top it with anything you want. I'll throw some shredded cheese in it. And again, this is a breakfast. You can put anything you want in it. You can put peppers in it, onions, jalapenos, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to do the basic to just show you how we grew up eating this. Okay, when I was growing up, we didn't use bacon. It was basically eggs and the corn tortillas in it. So I'm going to be using bacon, cheese, and Glenn will top his with the picante sauce. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my bacon going because that's the thing that's going to take the longest to cook. And the next will be the tortilla chips. So all I'm going to do is cut up my bacon into small pieces. And that's how I'm going to cook it. And I could probably actually, yeah. All right, so I got my bacon all cut up, and all I'm going to do is break it apart and put it in the frying pan. I'm sure I could just put it in like that, but that's all I'm going to do to my bacon. I'm going to cook that up, and I'll be right back to show you what I do with the tortillas, okay? All right, folks, so we're going to go on to step 2 now, and I have my corn tortillas here. I just grabbed a handful. So the amount of bacon or corn tortillas you fry up is totally up to you as to the amount of people you're feeding and how much you're going to eat. So again, it's just Glenn and I. So all I do is slice up the corn tortilla. Turn it around and then slice it up again. And I'm just going to make small tortilla chips. I've already got a frying pan preheating with the oil. Okay, and that's all it's going to be. And then when the oil's warmed up, I'm going to just fry up my tortilla chips. All right, we'll be right back. All right, folks, so you see I have my little tortilla chips frying up in the oil here. So when those are all toasted and ready to be taken out, I'll put them in a little bowl with a paper towel to soak them off. And then I also have my bacon frying over here, so we'll let that get done and we'll continue on. Okay, folks, so I have my bacon and my tortilla chips all fried up there, and they're in a little casserole dish. Just soaking up some of that oil, okay? And then I have my egg battered, and I'm just warming up my frying pan. And then I'm going to throw the egg in, and then throw everything else in at the same time. And then just mix it all together, okay? So I'll be right back with that. All right, everybody, so I'm going to just throw my egg in. And I'm not going to salt the egg or anything because you get enough salt in the bacon. All right. Then I'm just going to go ahead and throw in my chips and my bacon. And the chips will actually soften up as it's cooking through the egg. And this is another budget meal. I'll put the actual cost to the meal down in the description. I'll break it down for you. But I'm estimating less than $5 for this. And then just whatever you add in, if you add in peppers, of course that's a little more added to your cost. And then we'll be drinking some orange juice with this. So yeah, another budget meal, about $5. And this will feed, again, it's just Glenn and I. So this will definitely feed 2 to 3 people. 2 to 3 people, I would say. And I have 6 eggs in there. So I think I estimated the cost just for the eggs, the 6 tortillas I used, and a half a pack of bacon was like $2, and I believe it was like 68 cents. But in the description, I'll put the full breakdown of the cost for this meal, for this easy breakfast budget meal. Again, it's called Migas. M-I-G-A-S. I'll put it down in the description. And it's just a Spanish dish. Glenn will top his, like I said, with picante sauce. You can add in salsa. It's endless what you can add in. Oh, I'm going to throw in some cheese. I'm just going to mix that right in. I like a lot of cheese, but I won't add too much in there because Glenn doesn't like as much cheese. And he knows I don't eat picante, so he agreed not to put it inside of it. He'll just put it on top of his, so. So I hope you try this dish and like it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content of the videos I'm putting out. Please always leave a comment. I'm always interested in looking at your comments. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. I appreciate everyone tuning in and taking that time out of their day, out of your day, to watch my videos. Alright, folks. She's about done, and I'm going to plate them. Alright. Okay, folks, so there it is. A simple, easy breakfast called Migas. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time.